Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the MacBook Air. This is a 15-inch M4 2025 and the chip is M4. You can see the RAM is 32 gigabytes and the storage is 1 terabyte. You can see the battery information, the battery cycle count is 7 times and the battery capacity is 100%. And let me show you the GPU. The GPU 10 cores and the CPU. Okay, the CPU 10 cores, 4 performance cores, 6 efficiency cores, and this is a midnight color. You can see the keyboard, no scratches. The keyboard, no oily sheen, and the trackpad function. The trackpad no problem, and you can see this edge also no problem. Let me show you the top cover. Okay, you can see the top cover, no problem. The logo, no scratches. And let me show you the back. Okay, the back, no scratches here, only here. A little scratch, you can see. A little scratch. And the other area, no scratch, no scratches. Okay, let me show you the ports. Okay. You can see the headphone jack, no problem, no scratches, and the charging port. The charging port also no problem, no scratches here. This edge, no scratches. This corner also no problem. Okay, no problem. And let me show you the 15-inch display. Okay, I changed the wallpaper. I close this window. And let me change the wallpaper. Okay, you can see the display is okay. No bright spots, no dark spots. Okay. Okay, and let me show you a bright green. No problem. The display is okay. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook and the iPhone. Okay. The red color, no problem. You can say this is 15-inch M4 2025, M4 32 gigabytes, and 1 terabyte. Okay. The battery only 7 times cycle count. You can see only 7 times 100%. Okay. This is the machine. Good condition. Okay. See you in the next video.